The Bird's Eye, brought to you by Roofings. The Bird's Eye was brought to you by Roofings. This week, our property scouts had no difficulty locating the brand new properties of the Greentop Villas in Lubowa. Situated 8 kilometers from Kampala stand 19 double-storied 5-bedroom villas with a unique architectural design, located on the quiet and serene Lubowa Hill, just opposite Greentop condos. Each home has ample parking space for 2 cars, with a neat green compound for happy family times. The villas are roofed with Decra tiles, which have a 50-year warranty. The villas are configured with 5 spacious bedrooms, with 4 of them self-contained. They are well fitted with magnificent wardrobes made of the finest wood. The modern bathrooms, with all the accessories, are perfectly fitted with quality tiles. Each home has a modern kitchen, a spacious living room and dining area, as well as a laundry room. Simply breathtaking, the spectacular Greentop Villas will inspire your desire to live well and live your dream.